showering.
Yeah.
So, yeah, we're not a big city yet, but we're just gonna get there, because this place seems like it has a lot of zombies, too.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, shoot. Oh, my God.
Oh, where? Oh, our car.
Oh, shoot.
No, what am I supposed to do here?
Oh, my God.
There's so many zombies. Oh, yeah, we're going on a cruise, Cody.
Yeah, we're gonna. Yeah, we're gonna. What? Okay. Let me just kill these zombies.
Going to a cruise. I booked a cruise on the river of New York.
Stop lying, man.
No, actually. I booked a ferry for a cruise around the river.
Oh. Wait, I remember you own cruise ships. You were the you used to be the captain, I remember.
Yeah.
Zombies, I can't get over them. Wait.
Let's go to the dock. I own a ship today. It's a tiny one, but I can go do the job.
Wait, but after this, we're gonna stay at this place, okay? Because it seems like a nice place. Where are you?
I'm at the dock.
Okay, wait, I can't see you. Okay, come out a little bit so I can see you. Okay, do you see the Statue of Liberty?
Yeah.
Okay, go to the dock at that place.
I am.
Wait, where are you? I don't see you. Dude, reinforcements are about to come.
Why are
Just
we
a second. Oh, I see you. I saw something.
I found a pod on the ground. I don't know why there's a pod.
I can't believe I'm doing this. Okay, I'm gonna swim to you. Okay, I see you. Stay still. Okay, I'm gonna drive my own horse.
Wait, come here. I gotta show you something.
Wait, but follow me.
There's a pod here. There's a pod here. Something like weird could have came here. Look, do you see this?
Yeah. That looks weird. But come on, go in your car.
I mean, let's take it.
I know where your cruise ship is. No, I mean I know your boat is. Look, follow me. It's over here. Do you see it? It's
Tiny bro. That's one of the.
yeah, but after that we have to head to big cities. But we're gonna stay here a little bit. Reinforcements are gonna come to big cities.
Not that much zombies.
Yeah.
Is there?
Boat, right? Okay, now I'm getting my memory back. I remember you used to own a boat like 15 years ago. Oh shit.
Yeah, this is last.
Wait, you can even go inside here.
I know. That's one of my workers. I think it should be fine though.
Wait, this is the reinforcements. What are you talking about?
It is?
Yes. I think
guess there's one just sitting here. Wow.
My
What is
God.
that? There's zombies here.
No, I think we have to kill the reinforcements in order to get the bait.
Yeah.
Okay, now the zombies are gonna go to the reinforcements.
These are the reinforcements. They got infected.
Oh my God. The course always get infected.
Hopefully we should be okay afterwards. There's so many of them. I'm locking myself in a cage.
Shoot. Actually, help me.
I'm stuck. I fell off. I can't swim.
Oh. Okay, so remember you gave me your AK-47?
Yeah.
Here, I'm gonna give you it back.
Okay, give me it.
Come to the boat.
Okay.
Okay.
Let me have that.
Here.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Oh, you better reload it.
Oh, son. Let's kill them.
No. It's risky. Let me get off!
Oh my God. Okay, I'm up here.
How? okay. Oh my god.
Oh wait, remember a long time ago you had guns in your boat?
Yeah, there's something here.
Okay. I'm gonna grab some. Okay, I'm going in here. Okay.
There's somebody in here. I'm about to die. I don't get infected.
Okay.
I
Okay,
actually have
okay.
guns in here.
Oh, I found a good gun, bro.
What is it?
It's a Scar that has a scope. Oh shoot! And I also got a grenade.
Good.
Oh!
Do you hear that rumbling or is it just me?
Oh my god!
Is that rumbling?
Oh, I'm so hurt. I need a med kit.
Do you hear that rumbling or is it just me?
Yeah, I hear it.
I'm getting attacked. I'm about to die.
Oh my god. Dude.
Don't worry.
Okay, I'm gonna come back.
I just fell asleep. No, I'm okay. I'm okay. Trust me. Fine. You see that pulse in here?
Okay. Wait. It's simulation, right?
Yeah, I just got brought back once I was gonna die.
Dang, this stupid simulation thing.
You see that pulse in the air?
Oh my god, I just killed a zombie. Wait, I saw something fall out of him.
What was it?
Medkits. Oh,
Dang, that zombie must have been a doctor or something.
he must have. Okay.
That would have been the medic.
We have to go back to the city. Okay, remember that? Okay, so I think my cousin, Xiao King, he used to be here.
Oh my god!
Yeah, Xiao King, my cousin, used to live here. And he lived in one of the neighborhoods. We have to go find him, okay? Okay, I see you.
There's something here.
Oh, shoot. Oh.
I don't know what it is.
Oh my god. I'm climbing up here.
It's not dying.
Can you climb up this fence?
I'm dying. Oh, I should be safe.
Ow!
Jesus. Holy.
Dude. Okay. Oh, dude. Okay, I woke up in a different spot. I don't know where this is coming from or what it is.
There's so many of them chasing me.
Okay, I'm coming. Don't worry. Shall we?
The ammunition guards.
Okay, I'm coming.
There's a lot of zombies.
Ow! Ow! Ow!
What happened?
Dude, I think I got my first bite.
Did?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay,
You have to hurry.
go in the neighborhood. Follow me.
Get in the car. No, I'll take you to the hospital.
No, it's okay.
No, actually, it hurts. Let me drive. You can't drive and you have a bite.
No, it's okay. Oh, shoot. It's
Let me
okay.
drive.
Okay. Hey, drive to the hospital. I don't feel good. I don't feel that good. Can you please drive me quicker?
I got you.
Oh. Okay, we're at the hospital.
Go.
Ah.
Come on.
Oh.
I don't think anyone's
Ow.
here. Let's just get up. Look.
Oh.
Wake up. Come on.
Yeah, we have to go to the second floor. Come on, let's go.
Is the bike catching up to you?
Yeah, I don't. Ow.
Yeah. Grenade out.
Okay.
Grenade out.
Okay.
You're here. Treatment area. Sit down. Lay down.
Okay, can you give me a med kit?
You got you. Don't worry.
Place med kits down.
Just go.
Or
Lay down.
grab med kits.
You sure? You okay?
Yeah, no, actually, I'm really hurt. Ugh.
What happened?
I don't know. Wait.
Yeah?
Ugh. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, so I woke up in another simulation and I found med kits. Okay, I got it. Ah! Now I injected myself with it, okay?
I don't know, but your body's floating in the air.
How?
I don't know, but if you see the hospital outside, your body's floating. It's like a simulation.
Wait, so that might be my corpse, and that my corpse got infected. So that means I'm in a different body. Okay.
Yeah, your body's floating. You're like, Chrissy, wake up! I don't like this! And you die. Your body,
Wait, did my corpse become a zombie?
Not yet.
Okay. I'm just gonna stay here. Okay, go to the neighborhood. Do you know what the neighborhood is? Okay, I'm just gonna stay here. Meet me at the neighborhood.
Please don't attack me.
I'll meet you there, okay, shall we?
Yeah.